Hi, welcome my friend. Shark AV911S Easy Robot Vacuum with self-empty base, bagless, row-by-row cleaning, perfect for pet hair, compatible with Alexa, Wi-Fi, gray color. The Shark Easy Robot is your easy path to smart clean. It combines the convenience of self-empty base with powerful Shark suction for a complete home clean. After each cleaning session, your robot automatically empties itself into the bagless self-empty base, which holds multiple sessions worth of dirt and debris, so you can forget about vacuuming for up to 30 days. Now that's easy. To get the product, you can click the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.